You bought the supplements, the meal plan, the premium protein with 17 ingredients and a label that looked like a research paper. You cooked for 3 hours on Sunday. You weighed everything. You tracked every macro. You were committed. And by Thursday, you were at the drive-thru. Don't make this about willpower. That diet was designed to look impressive, not to be sustainable. You didn't fail it. It failed you, and you paid for the privilege of failing. Here's what the fitness industry doesn't want you to piece together. Building muscle has always been simple. One study. Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition. Total protein intake, 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Hit that number. Train hard. Repeat. That's the entire formula. There's nothing else. The influencer selling you the $200 supplement stack doesn't look like that because of the supplements. They look like that despite them. You've been buying a fantasy. The fantasy is expensive. The truth is cheap. And it's been sitting in your kitchen the whole time. So here's the ranking. 5 meals, real results, no Instagram theater, no overpriced supplements, no meal prep content made to impress people who don't train. Just what works and every day without you hating your life. Top 5. Rice, chicken, olive oil. You've heard this 1,000 times. Good, because that means it works, and you already know it works, and you're still not doing it consistently. That's the problem. 150 grams of chicken breast, 45 grams of complete protein, high bioavailability, meaning your body actually uses it. It doesn't just pass through. White rice refuels your glycogen without adding fat. It's not complicated. It's not sexy. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. The olive oil keeps inflammation down and helps your body absorb the nutrients you just ate. This meal is not on the top spot for one reason. Boring diets get abandoned. Not because they stop working, because people stop doing them. By week 3, you hate it. By week 4, you're back to eating whatever. The meal didn't fail. You got bored and quit. If that's you, keep watching. Everything below this on the ranking exists precisely because of that problem. Top 4. For people who actually train at 6 a.m. instead of just posting about it. Egg white omelet. Cottage cheese. Oats. 8 minutes from the time you wake up to the time you eat. No excuses. Now, the mistake that's been quietly costing you gains for months. You're throwing the yolk away because some influencer told you the fat in the yolk is going to destroy your progress. That influencer has never read a study in their life. The yolk has choline, which your liver needs to process fat efficiently. It has vitamin D, which directly affects testosterone production. And it has fat, the same fat your body uses to absorb the vitamins you just ate. Without the yolk, you're eating a fraction of what the egg actually offers. Keep 1 whole yolk for every 3 whites. Stop wasting food, and stop listening to people who don't know what they're talking about. The cottage cheese is not optional. It has casein protein, the slow-digesting kind. While the egg whites hit fast, the casein from the cottage cheese keeps releasing amino acids for the next 3 to 4 hours. You're feeding your muscle the entire session, not just the first 30 minutes. The oats give you flat, constant energy. No spike, no crash. No moment halfway through your session where you suddenly have nothing left. 8 minutes total. If you genuinely don't have 8 minutes before training, you don't want results badly enough. That's not harsh. That's just true. Top 3. Sweet potato, lean ground beef, whole egg. For people who are actually hungry. Not Instagram hungry. Actually hungry. The numbers. 100 grams of lean ground beef. 26 grams of protein. 60% cheaper than the same amount of chicken fillet. Same protein quality. Lower cost. If you've been avoiding ground beef because it looks less premium in a meal prep photo, you've been optimizing for likes, not gains. The sweet potato gives you fiber, potassium, and sustained energy without spiking your blood sugar. It does its job without requiring your attention. The whole egg fills the amino acid gaps that beef leaves open. Together, the protein profile of this meal rivals anything you'd build with supplements. This entire meal costs less than a protein bar. And unlike the protein bar, it actually builds something. What I'm about to show you is going to look like a joke. You're going to think I lost my mind. Don't close this video, because it outperforms everything above it, and it costs almost nothing. Top 2. Whey shake, banana, peanut butter. 90 seconds from prep to cup. The whey hits your bloodstream in 30 to 60 minutes. Right after training, your muscle is open, glycogen depleted, protein synthesis waiting. The whey walks straight in. The banana replenishes the glycogen you just burned. Fast carbs after training are not your enemy. They're the signal your body needs to stop breaking down muscle and start rebuilding it. The people telling you to avoid carbs post-workout haven't changed their physique in 3 years. The peanut butter stabilizes your blood sugar after the banana, keeps you full for hours, delivers monounsaturated fat, the same fat your body uses to produce testosterone. 1 tablespoon, that's it. Fast protein, glycogen replenishment, hormonal support, 90 seconds. This would be number 1. Except it depends on whey. And whey is expensive. Top 1 does everything this does at half the cost with a higher biological value and without a subscription. Keep going. Top 1. Whole eggs, egg whites, sugar-free chocolate milk, peanut butter. Go ahead. Laugh. I'll wait. That's a kid's breakfast cracks. I've heard it. Fine. That kid has more muscle than you. Here's what this meal actually is. Whole eggs. Biological value of 100. The reference standard that every other protein source is measured against. Not compared to. Measured against. Nothing scores higher as a whole food. The egg whites stack clean protein on top without adding fat. Together they create protein absorption in waves. Whites hit in 1 to 2 hours. Whole eggs follow in 2 to 4. Your muscle doesn't get one spike that crashes. It gets sustained delivery for hours. The peanut butter. 1 to 2 tablespoons. Monounsaturated fat for testosterone production. Satiety that lasts. And blood sugar stability after the fast protein. Without adequate dietary fat, your hormones don't function. This isn't optional. And the sugar-free chocolate milk. I know. That's not serious nutrition. It delivers fast carbohydrates right when your muscle needs glycogen replenishment. And it tastes like something a human being would actually want to eat. That last part is not a joke. That's the mechanism. The diet you can live with is the only diet that builds anything. You can eat this every single day, not twice, every day, for months, without hating yourself. That's the real advantage, not the macros. The fact that you actually keep doing it. That's where the muscle comes from. A 2019 study out of a European research group confirmed what American lifters have been doing instinctively for decades. Dietary sustainability predicts long-term results more than any macro protocol. The average American gym goer switches nutrition plans 4 times a year. 4 times. And wonders why nothing sticks. This meal sticks. The eggs deliver protein in waves, not a spike. The peanut butter keeps your hormones functioning. The chocolate makes you not hate your diet. 3 mechanisms. 1 meal. Under $3. That's not luck, that's engineering. While you were optimizing your macros, researching the perfect protocol, and waiting to start until everything was lined up perfectly, someone else was eating eggs and chocolate milk every day for 6 months. And they look different now. Consistency doesn't care about your meal plan. It doesn't care about your supplements. It doesn't care about your research. It only cares that you show up every day with the same meal, without drama. Stop optimizing. Start executing. Drop a comment. What's the most ridiculous meal you eat that actually works for you? The one you'd never post, but you swear by. I want to see it.